This time tomorrow, right?
Yeah, this time tomorrow we're going to have some rain on the radar. By this time tomorrow night, it's going to be on out of here for us. But tomorrow morning, there are some showers in the forecast, and they have slowed down a little bit. The main line has slowed down in the forecast package just a little bit. So looking at what's happening on the radar right now, not a whole lot. It's been a humid day today. Out to the west, more showers and thunderstorms still holding together. Not a whole lot of severe weather right now off near Vernon, but they've seen a number of severe thunderstorm warnings through the day today and tornado warnings all ahead of this dry line that's been hanging out well out to the west. So right now we're relatively quiet here in North Texas. Down to the south and southeast, a lot of rain continuing down near Houston, but this all changes going into tomorrow morning. There have been some changes in the latest thinking, and I've been looking at the latest data coming in, and what has changed is between about 6 to 8 o'clock, we'll see some widely scattered showers that could be strong to maybe approaching severe limits ahead of the line that has slowed down. So still tomorrow morning between 6 to 8, we could see some scattered storms that could have winds gusting up to near 50 to 60 miles per hour, maybe some quarter-sized hail. Then that line of some stronger storms coming together, the squall line gets closer towards the Metroplex between about 9 to then noon moving through. And my biggest concern with that are some flooding rains and also dealing with the potential of those winds gusting up to near 60 miles per hour. So as the line continues to slide its way southeast, still we could see some leftover rain in the Metroplex around 1 to 2. But then also where we don't see a lot of the rain in the morning hours in our far southeast counties, Van Zandt down to Henderson, possibly Navarro counties, we could see some strong to possibly severe storms developing in the early afternoon hours. Those lift their way to the northeast, and then by the time we go into the early evening hours, we start to quiet out. So that's something we'll watch as we go through the day, and it's definitely a day that you need to stay weather aware, and especially in the morning hours, have the umbrella with you, because our rain chances at 6, about 60%, going up to 80 to the 90% by the time we go to our late morning hours. By noon, still about a 60% chance, and then into the afternoon hours, dropping back down. So there is that slight risk of severe storms in the forecast. It does include the Metroplex, but our far southeast counties at enhanced risk. Damaging winds, as I said, 60 miles per hour, maybe gusting up higher than that. Flash flooding cannot be ruled out. And that low tornado threat is there. Maybe on that leading edge of the squall line, we could see some quick spin-ups. So that's my concern as well as that line pushes its way on in. How much rain are we talking about? Well, you see in some localized areas, we could see as much as 2 to maybe 3 inches of rain, adding on to a very saturated ground already near the parts of the Metroplex, maybe a half of an inch to an inch. It all depends on where we see these storms really line up. After that, we then have a cold front approaching into Thursday morning, and as this front then slides its way on through, we're going to be seeing a cool down on the way, rounding out the week and going into Mother's Day weekend. So still some rain chances on the way, but not as high for Thursday and Friday. 20 to 30% chances, but look at our temperatures, low 70s Friday to Saturday. Saturday a 50-50 shot of some showers and storms, but Sunday morning for Mother's Day 57 warms to 77, nice and dry rounding out the weekend.
And we like that for mamas.